Welcome! In front of me I have HTC Desire 21 Pro 5G, and today I'll show you how you can connect AirPods to the smartphone. So the first, you have to open charging case of your AirPods. Right now we have to click and hold the power, we can call it the power button. Click and hold it, and when this indicator starts blinking, you have to release that key. Right now, move to the Bluetooth settings, click to pair new device, and when the AirPods pops on the list, you have to simply tap on them, then connect to pair, and as you can see right now we are connected. So if you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.